like extra bad because she sprayed like some weird stuff. Yeah, she vapes, so it's like, yeah. Hi, you're my next one? Damn, yeah, I just did a girl's tragus. Tragus? Yeah. Yeah, she was crying, it was bloody, like, don't even. Let's start off with Santa. Can you not look at us? Yeah, I don't know you. Okay, thank you. Do you know her? Okay. So we're doing your belly button. Just roll your shirt up. Sorry, I don't want to be late for Spanish, okay? Okay, let me just... 3, 2... We're on a schedule, y'all. Does that hurt? No? Okay, let me grab my jewelry. Yeah, I just picked something off Claire's, honestly. It wasn't that. Just a basic metal bar. You can customize it in like 3 weeks, so that will be 52. Yeah, it was 48, but 52 because I don't really know you that